All right. Second week, last week you had 4 days winning streak. Thursday was a holiday. We never lost any trade. So let's see how this week will be. All these trades, I'm actually recording them. All these trades, I'm actually recording them. So just rules of the house, guys. On this scanner, I don't, on this, not scanner, on this session, it's a inner circle session. I don't mute people. We interact with people. You can unmute yourself, you can talk, you can ask questions, you can, it's usually a free space. So, and also having a free space, that does not mean that you actually violate the rules. Always make sure if you're not talking, it's just a gesture so that you can be able to concentrate. Just make sure that your mic is muted. All right. On the other things is, I know this is a call that I've been able to invite even the public, everyone, whereby we are doing the challenge. So most of you guys, this is a scanner that we usually use. We have different tools and systems that we are using. We have our premium scanner that you'll be able to be seeing me using here. And then we have our website here, whereby on our website we have the signal center, okay, where on the signal center, it gives us like the signals, it gives us the trade ideas. But today I'm going to be just focusing on the scanner, how it works, how we do our analysis, and how we actually trade with it, right? So that is what we're going to be focusing with. So personally, I usually trade US30 alone, but I will be doing analysis for even NASDAQ. I'll be doing analysis for even gold. If you want to participate in those trades, you can actually participate in them. Okay, so guys, if I come back to mute you, I'm just going to remove you out of this call. Okay. If I come back to mute your mic, if you're just making noise for the people in the group, I'll just come and remove you. Let's have that as order of the call. So let's get started with our analysis, guys. What you can be able to see here, we'll be waiting for New York Open. That will be in the next 20 minutes. You can be able to see our last trade on Friday here. It was really able to be an amazing trade. Was able to push up all the way. Okay. On Thursday, we had a holiday. So on the holiday, nothing happened. Absolutely nothing happened. And I'm going just to give you just a post analysis of what happened on Friday. And if you had the scanner, what could you do? Okay. Remember, guys, remember we are trading at 1730. So we are trading after this, all of this noise that is happening. Okay. So that is where you will be on your chart. And I always say this, that the chart usually has a story to tell, okay? The chart will always give you a past story. So you always want to take a look at zones. So here you've been able to be given a buy trade idea signal. So if you've been given a buy trade idea signal, now what you want to do is you want to go back, okay? You want to go back. And what do we mean by going back? You want to take a look at, you want to go and take a look at, as I said, guys, if I come back to mute you, I'm just going to remove you. So I'm removing this Moses and this sniper because they cannot keep their mic muted. This sniper also, where is he? And this other person, let me just remove them. Okay. It just, so if you're joining the call, make sure you mute yourself. Otherwise, I'm going to remove you from the call. Okay. I'm going to remove you from the call. Make sure you mute yourself so that you can be able to concentrate. So what I was able to say is, we go back. Okay. We go back and take a look at where are our past zones. Okay. Here's where the buy is, here's where the entry is. Definitely, we do not just get into the trade with just one straight line, okay? We want to take a look at where the entry is. We want to take a look at our most recent zones, and then we want to push way back so that we can be able to see what has happened. And what I usually say, guys, is the chart will always give you a story. And what is the story that this is giving us here today? It's actually telling us that, hey, you know what? Price was able to come, okay, pushed down, pushed up, rejected down, rejected this area again, came, rejected this area, and pushed down. All right. So if we come here again, we can be able to see we have some most recent zones and areas which were able to be tested here. Okay, we can be able to see each and every time as soon as as soon as we finished all these rejections, price did not come back to this area again up to this particular point. Okay, when it came back to this zone, you can be able to see price pushed, like this zone pushed price up to this area here, and then price came back here. So being on this area, we are biased. Our biased is our scanner. What do we mean by biased? Biased mean that we are only looking to buy. Okay, we are only looking to buy. We'll just not get into the buys just blindly based on just a straight line. So it's either price here. You always want to know price can either do two things. Okay, it can react from this area and push down, okay, hitting your stop loss if you got in earlier. But if you're a little bit just patient and you'll have waited for a break of this zone, price now can push up, targeting to hit your take profit one, right, and your take profit two. So for me on Friday, and this is the exact thing that you could have done, this is what happened. Okay, price was able to come, rejected, 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 and then price broke above. Okay, so after price breaking above, I can remember me entering my trades. Okay, for me entering my trades, okay, you can just put your stop loss around that zone area there. And price was able to push up, hitting my take profit one, and price continue pushing up. Okay, for me, this take profit one here, this is actually more than enough, but price continued pushing up until I don't know if it hit our take profit two, but this take profit one here, it's enough. Reason I want you to show you something here. I did not put my stop loss way far down below here. Okay, I just minimized my loss and I put my stop loss just below this area here. Why did I put my stop loss below that area? Is because I want you to go back and take a look at that zone. Price is still giving you a certain story about the area. So there's no need of, this scanner is to show you your TPs, take profit, and it is just to give you bias, your bias. Like the most important thing when people trade is not understanding where they are, where the price direction, why it's going. Okay, that is usually the most hard thing that people usually have. Okay, so that was US30 on Friday. On Thursday, definitely we never had any trade. And then we'll go still on Wednesday. And you see, this thing does the same thing each and every single day. This is just like refreshing also so that we can even prepare for today's trade. And guys, I'll not tell you like it's guaranteed 100% that each and every single trade that we'll be taking here are winning. No, this is Forex, guys. All right, we just manage our risk. We had an amazing winning streak last week, and we continue hoping to have a continuous winning streak like that. But always risk management is very, very important. Okay, so you can be able to see here at 4:30, our bias was still a buy. Okay, but we have to look at our area of interest. Okay, remember this is a 3 minutes time frame. We're using 3 minutes time frame, 1 minute time frame to be able to take a look at these zones. Okay, and for me, my point of interest will be price to break at least that area after us being given this buy so that we can be able to participate into the buy. So let's see what happened. Price came, and then price broke this area. So when price broke this area, this will have been a long position. I remember this trade, recording this trade. Okay, my stop losses will just be around this area here, not too far. And also, if you look at this area, we still have price giving us a certain story even below this area here. All right, what is the story that you're seeing here? If we go back, in time, you can be able to see price pushing up. All right, price coming, rejecting this area, pushing up. So this is an important area of interest. Okay, it is an important area. So just put your stop loss there, let it hit your take profit 1, move your stop loss to break even. If it hits your take profit 2, well and good, that's a bonus. Okay, and it was able to move all the way. This one, guys, this one will immediately, this trade hit here, be realistic with yourself. This will be already enough for you. Okay, you'll have been good. If you're someone who could have continued holding, it will have pushed still to your take profit too. That was on Wednesday. You can be able to see the same thing is happening. The same thing is happening. Okay, we go back on Tuesday. What happened on Tuesday at 17:30? That is when 17:30. Here we are at 17:30. At 17:30, what did we have? We still had our thing giving us a buy. Okay, we have our scanner giving us a buy. If we go back here, we can be able to see, all right, again, price is giving us a story. This is a price where, this is a zone whereby, all right, even if you come back here, you can be able to see this is a zone whereby price is coming, rejecting, and respecting. Okay, so a buyer has been able to be given there. I want us to take a look at today's market before time goes real quick, so that you can be able to see what we can be able to do. And then price was still able to push. Okay, take a look at that. Have you been able to see that push? You guys, you think, for those people who trade gold, you think gold moves? You haven't seen something that moves, my friend. This is like your trading news. Take a look at that push. Pop, 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 and you're done with that trade. So this thing is something that you've been able to test. It has a track record, especially in US30. For those people who are wondering what is US30, US30 is actually indices, okay? There's people who are drawing my charts here. Let me remove, disable annotation. Yes, so you can be able to see the performance of this tool. Okay, that is still the same strategy that you use here on gold. It's still the same strategy that you'll use on NASDAQ if you like trading NASDAQ and these other pairs. Okay, and these other pairs. Okay, so let's take a look at today's market. What goes on today's market? Now, that's what we usually do. We just like do a mind refresh, just giving ourselves confidence of what the market does every single day. So after now having a clear picture on what the market does every single day, now we come and we look at the market. All right. So we have a sell signal already. That is our buyers. Okay. So if we have the sell signal already, all we'll be looking for is, we will be looking at areas of interests. Switch off that. Now, this is what we have here today. We'll just be looking at areas of interest whereby we'll be looking for price at 430 to actually break and continue selling. We'll just be biased on our sales, okay? And if you're biased on our sales, what do we have here? This is where price has been able to say we get into our sales. We look at this as a zone. Don't just look at it. I think I should tell the developer to put this here to always be a zone, not just a straight line. Okay, just look at it as a zone. Okay, if you look at it as a zone, you want to give your zone like some breathing space for it to be broken. And for me, I will take this whole area here and I'll be able to give you an explanation why I'm taking this whole area here. Okay, I'm going to give you an explanation why I'm going to take this area here, and I'm going to ask price, hey, can you give me like a story whereby this area, can we be able to relate? Is it an area of interest? Is it an area that price has really been able like to do something? And I'll be able to see, yes, it's an area of interest. If you see like you're not even seeing very well, you're allowed to go even on the higher time frame, even like on the 15 minutes time frame, so that you can just be able to see the zone very, very well. Okay, is the zone strong? Is that zone a zone that you can really count on? Yes, and for me, it's a strong zone. Let me continue using my lower time frames. For me, I like using 3 minutes. And why am I saying that this is a zone that I can be able to count on? Is because of one reason. Okay, we can be able to see the only time, the time that this was a very strong zone was during this particular area. Don't worry about those weak outs. Those are just fake outs. This area made price drop all the way. Okay, all the way down here. Okay, after making price break all the way, price never interacted with that zone until at this particular area here. Let's remove this alert. This was the only time that price came to interact with this particular zone here, right? And when price came back to this zone, you can be able to see what did price do? Price reacted, okay? Price reacted, came here again, price was pushed down, and then price came here again. We just had a fake out again, tried to push down, and then we had now a break that happened, okay? So after that, price never came to interact with this area again. The only time price came to interact with this zone is actually at this particular area. And when price came here, it never broke it to the downside. Okay, so you can be able to see price came, it pushed. So it shows that this is an area still that has great resistance or great support. Okay, and then it came here again. Now it has not broken it. Price is still pushing up. So we are looking for the sells. Where will we be getting into our sells from? Is when price breaks this thing from the down. Okay, from the downside. Okay, we can be able to take a look at that. It is when it breaks it from below. All right. That is when we'll be able to participate into the sells. So we'll just wait and see. Maybe just put an alarm here. Okay, so that's what we are looking at, but still we are not blinded into the idea that price can still break on the above side. Make sure you're muted. Make sure you're muted. Joe, mute yourself. All right, we are not closed-minded that we are not looking also on the upside. Price can still push from the up and break. Okay, price can still break from the upside and still continue pushing up. Okay, we're not blinded to that fact, but on our bias for right now, our bias is this sell. Our bias is this sell. Okay, our bias is that sell. So this is on US 30. Let's take a look at we have like 4 minutes to go. Let's take a look at Nasdaq. Oh, that was Nasdaq I was analyzing. Oh,
Mwabu,
uh-huh.
US 30, I think, is about to break. Angalia the zone here, that zone there.
That was Nasdaq I was analyzing, guys. I thought it was US 30.
About analyze US 30 is about to break.
No. You cannot participate into any US 30 trade before 5:30.
Oh,
Otherwise,
great.
you'll be liquidated. You'll be
Okay.
you'll be the one who your stop losses are being hit.
Okay. That's
So
good. That's good.
so with US 30, what are we seeing with US 30? Okay, that was Nasdaq I was analyzing, guys. thought it was US 30. Thought it was US 30. Okay, so with US 30, here we go. Okay, I think for me, this is a very clear zone. Very, very sweet, amazing. I love it. Clear story being told behind. Like, guys, when I say there's a story, I'm saying like there's some history that we can be able to learn from an area. We are not just marking from the current reaction. We can be able to see like this area here. You can be able to see price came here and on Friday it rejected it, pushed up, okay, came back here, rejected it, came back here, rejected it, tried to break down, rejected. This was a zone whereby price pushed up all the way, price came back here, and then now we can be able to see prices interacting with this zone. So if we get a breakout of that zone, guys, we expect to get our sales, okay? If we get a break of this zone, we expect to get our sales, okay? We expect to get our sales, okay? But here's the thing, price can also, that's why I was telling you, you just have to be a little bit, what do we call, don't be like very, very closed-minded, okay? Price also can do what? It can reject this area and push up. So that's why we have to wait for that clear break, okay? We wait for that clear break on the downside, and then we can be able to get into the cells. So 1 minute to go. One minute to go. Okay, I think now you can be able to see what I was telling you, Tony. If you could have been in that cell, now your stop loss will be the one that is being hit.
That's true. That's true.
Hello.
That's true. That's true, brother. We wait, eh?
Just wait. Be patient, wait.
Stop losing again. True.
Oh, kaya tunggu nih market sini. Hmm. Hmm.
Very, very important to wait, I'm telling you.
Later.
It will save you a lot of time. Bernard, Coach, mute yourself.
Tony, you are ready to shoot the shot. You've seen the reaction.
Yes, I've seen that is a stop loss being hit, eh?
Yeah. Patience, man.
But I like the zone. That's a good zone.
Yeah. Let it break out.
So we're only waiting for the sales, no buy. Because the, what is it called? BMM says sell.
Yeah, you have to be biased with your direction. You have to know what direction are you going.
Yeah, okay. That's good.
Ya tunggu. Ya tunggu.
Mr. Bernard, you just want me to get you out of this call. You can't mute
Pole,
yourself.
pole. Sorry.
We just wait and see what the market will do. And then also, When you've done all your analysis and then you wait for a trade, and that day you don't take a trade and you say, I've not taken a trade because my analysis have not been met. Man, go and grab a beer for yourself. Anyone who wants to ask me why? Or you know why?
Discipline.
Yeah? Anyone who wants to, all of you guys, you know why, right?
Discipline.
You can say.
Yeah.
You know, Mwabu, some of us, we are just waiting to you say, go. We put all the notices. Pa, 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 pa.
No, 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 no. My stop loss also can be hit. The reason is because you've
Yeah.
upgraded to the big boys. Now you've stopped chilling with the small boys. The big boys
Psychology.
always know when not to take bad
A
trades.
trade.
They just don't take trades just because of taking a trade. And the moment you've gotten into the market, done your analysis, everything, and you haven't taken a trade and you've gone, just know you've started becoming a pro trader. Yeah.
Psychology, eh? Psychology.
Yeah, you started becoming a big boy or girl. We have ladies also. It's not for
That's good, brother. That's good.
not every day the market will behave the way you want it to behave, right? We have to agree on that. We have to agree on that. I had not looked on gold. I had not looked at gold. But you know I don't like gold? The reason why hey manze, smart. Mtaambiwa mara ngapi you mute yourself? You know, it's not like I'm not telling you guys to talk, but so you're doing your other business, so you're distracting us. So for me, my only problem with gold is the pullbacks. Okay, gold will break here and then pull back on you. But I think also gold you can be able to see here. Looks like if it breaks this area, we might have. This was the morning buys, guys. This was the morning buys that I let me confirm if it was they were. No, it was not the morning buys.
You took the trades, eh?
The morning buys were here. It came, broke that, pushed up. Okay. So here with gold is breaking there, right? I am not a big trader on gold, so I will not call a short here. You can follow my strategy if you want to follow. It works on gold also. The problem with gold is gold usually pulls back. Okay, it will break and then pull back. That's the only problem I usually have with gold. Okay, but if you trade gold, I think this could be a good one. Up to here, this will still be just a take profit too up to there on gold sells. Yeah.
Yeah, gold is gone already. So for people who missed it.
Don't worry, guys. Like for me, I've not taken gold. But you know, there are some people who trade gold. And people who trade gold, 90% of them don't make money. I can tell you that for sure.
Whether the indices may turn bullish, breaking highs. Mm, mm, mm.
So you can be able to see that is how you avoid low quality setups. Or that is how you avoid being caught on manipulation zones. Or it's just a matter of, I know there's some people just saw this and they're already clicking their sell buttons. Pop, 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 pop. That's not trading. Yeah? That is not how you trade. Okay, so why have I drawn that zone? Still, remember, you always want to take a look at an area and see, okay, what did we have before? You can be able to see price came, rejected. That zone pushed up. Price came here, did nothing, came here, rejected it, pushed down. Came here, rejected it, pushed down. So price is at this particular area. So you can either have two things. Either reject this zone again, okay, continue pushing down, all right, or break above, pushed up. But right now we are still biased on sells until our scanner gives us a buy. We cannot look at the buys. We are still looking at the sells. I'm still sticking with the sells until our scanner gives us a buy. Okay, price direction is very, very key. All right, so if if you ran for buys, you could still have been clapped. Okay, if you're in gold, I'm sure maybe you're enjoying. If anyone who took gold,
Hey,
I do
we are
I
in. You are in. You are in.
I
Thank
don't
you.
love I don't trade gold. I don't not it's not that I don't trade gold, but I don't love trading gold, especially when I have US 30 and gold. I'll rather trade US 30. Okay, it's not that I'm saying this is a bad setup or anything. If you trade gold, this is a trade that you could have been in on it. Is that true?
Hey, yes, we are doing well in Mabu. Thank you. Thank you, Jesus. Hey,
layer key. We don't trade when we are in bed. You need to have your laptop looking at it. That's not how you make money.
Someone is on the bed.
You need to be on front of your laptop, ready to make money. You don't make
I've
money.
just seen
With
you live, so I missed yesterday night Zoom, so I've just seen live, so I just want to see the recap, like something like that.
Right now we are live trading. So we are taking trades in the market. Like we are doing analysis and taking trades. So guys, my thing has shifted into a buy now. Okay.
Yep.
We have to wait. Let's just wait for it until it shifts into a
People
buy
took gold.
completely.
Gold, they are good.
So for those guys who took gold, now your
You're
stop
starting.
loss
You're
should be
good.
at break even. For those guys who took gold, stop loss should be at break even. If you took gold, your stop loss should be at break even. Guys, if you've taken that gold, sell, drop a fire. Anyone who has taken the gold, sell, drop a fire, 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 fire. Michael is saying patience, patience.
Nice one,
Right.
Tony.
Anyone who has taken anyone who has taken the gold, sell.
Tuko ndani, tuko
Fires,
ndani.
guys. Fire, fire, fire. If you've taken the gold cells. All right. Amazing, amazing. That's how we do it. So let's see if we can be able to get other trade ideas. Okay. We're live trading in front of 50 plus people. This is how transparent it can be. Okay. Live trading in front of 50 plus people. This is how transparent it can be. All right, using the BMM scanners. This is our premium scanner. And as you are waiting for, guys, as you are waiting to see our indices setups, if they will play out, you see NASDAQ has come, not done anything yet. Let's be patient and see. Yeah, it is the one that is giving us setups. So it is the one that is giving us, it is the one that is telling us if we should buy or we should sell. Our work is just to look at, like, just to make sure that we avoid being stopped out. Okay. Like our work is just to be patient a little bit and just getting into trades when we have clear breakouts. Okay. All right. When we have clear breakouts. Okay.
Now, check on use 30. It's about to, by the way, they're about to break for the buys, but we'll see.
Let's be patient with that one.
Now you see in our V2, it has already given us a buy.
Now V2 is not the same as this one. This one is totally different with that one. You can't
Okay.
you can't even compare it with that one. Yeah.
We are about to buy.
All right. Someone is notifying us that there is news. So yeah, we have news here. Man, now this one I don't think you will trade this one now
Dow Jones has broken.
because I don't know what news will do. Yeah, I'm saying there's news. I don't trade news.
There's some news. Let me check. Okay.
Although I feel like this thing now will push up.
Mm.
Is there news?
At 6, ISM manufacturing, yeah. At 6, in about 10 minutes.
Let's just see. And then guys, there's a broker that we are using and we recommend you guys to, let me show you. This thing is crazy, man. This thing is crazy. Like if you have a $10 account, you can take that $10 with this US30, you can take that $10 to $100 very quickly. Reason? Because of the leverage. Because of the leverage that it's giving you. Let me just drop it on one of the groups that we have there. And then let me drop it on our trial group.
I took my cells, but I'll break even early.
Guys, my only, hey, you guy, can you mute yourself?
Oh, nice. I took my cells at that breakout, that kind of beginning. But we have news in 9 minutes.
What do you mean you took cells?
3 minutes, yeah, that one, that breakout on 1 minute. Is it? No, mine is on 3 minutes, yeah.
You took cells on what?
Not sales, buys.
Oh,
Just low risk because of news coming up. I've added more on that breakout. Use that. But it's better news to come in fast, eh?
that US30 will push up.
Mm. Nice. I'm still holding 4 positions, 2 lots. I think it's pushing up.
That US30 will go up.
I'm going to break even all of them because of these news that are coming up.
We're going, we're going, we are going, we are
Oh,
going.
nice.
If you're in the buy for US30, if news comes, just make sure you've closed your trades. Okay.
Like some minutes before, right?
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay, if you have your real account, you can just put your stop loss to break even. Those guys who are using prop farms,
Even us is about to break.
I think Nas will push really well.
Mm.
Here we go, Nasdaq. 5 minutes to news. Here we go, guys. Nasdaq will also push. Make sure when news comes, you just close your positions. Like for me, I'm on break even. For that, you study.
Oh, nice. $100. And that's 2%. That's good at least to close before the news, man. Ah, this is a good push. Oh, nice, nice. What? What? This is a nice push.
Let's go,
This
let's
is a
go,
nice
my
push.
people. Let's go, let's
This
go,
is
let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. That's how we do it, man. A little bit of patience, a little bit of patience, a little bit of sniper entries, a little bit of the BMM scanners, and we crash it like nobody else business. Let me know, guys. Just gotten into the US30. Drop some fire if you really love this live session. Drop some fire if you love the live session, guys. Let me know how many people have gotten. Drop some fire if you've gotten into the US30, if you've gotten into the NASDAQ also. We do this every single day. How many people on the call today? Plus 50 plus 50 plus people watching this live. You know, when I tell you guys, let's jump in, let's do this. BMM is the thing. We are not hiding anything. We are doing this in front of you. When I say it's free, you come and show you free how the scanner is working. And this is the support that we give people. We are not just yapping. We're not just yapping that, we know how to trade. No, we come here and we trade with you. Every single day I've been doing this. Every single day. Let's go, my friends. Amazing. That's a super, super crazy push, my friends.
Are we, Dennis?
Yeah.
Where are we? You know, I got lost.
Hey, we are eating
It is,
profits. Why? What do you mean you got lost?
yeah. Okay, then.
What do you mean you
That's-
got lost? And you can see some people just dropping some fire emojis. Nice push. Let's go, people. Yeah. What happened? You did not get into the trade?
I didn't get to the trade because I see my electricity disappear when you are shouting. I didn't know what you were saying. Then coming back, here we go. It has already
Oh,
gone.
oh my goodness.
Yeah.
No worries. No worries. No worries. No worries.
That's man, awesome. Keep riding, guys. Keep riding, keep riding. Yeah, so news in 1 minute. I'm taking my partials right now. Oh.
What do you mean? Why is it there's someone is asking? Oh, this was late. This was a little bit. So regarding this US30, what are you observing now, or why is it not yet taking the direction of the tool setup? I think you've been able to see it now, Mr. FFN. I don't know who is that. I think you've been able
Frederick,
to
sir.
see.
I'm watching from Rwanda. That is FFN.
I think you've been able to see now what is
Oh,
what
it's
you were
pushing, man. It's
what you were able
pushing,
what you
pushing,
are looking at,
pushing.
right? Have you seen what you are looking at? My brother
Yes,
from
sir.
Rwanda.
Yes, I'm really seeing that. I'm really amazed.
Uh-huh.
I did not know about this. Yeah.
Now you
It's
are here,
really
my brother.
fascinating. Yeah. Thank you so much. I'm interested. Maybe we have to catch up with
Imagine
you later. Yeah?
No problem.
Thanks, sir.
it's very simple to make $50 or $100 a day. It's just trading once. No need to put your eyes on the chart every time.
This is really
Hmm?
fascinating.
Some
That's what
people
I'm
making
saying. Thank you.
salaries of some employees or your rent money.
Yeah.
Yes. Me, I'm taking partials right now. Wow. 90%.
Guys, I think your status is done. I think its push is done, yeah?
Out with 100
Yeah.
USD.
I think your status push is done. You can just close your positions and enjoy. Happy Monday.
Wow.
I think Nasdaq will also still push up.
Nice.
Nasdaq will push up still. There's nothing as sweet as knowing you have your own strategy, my friends. Like you can get into the market and trade and make money from your thing.
Hello, thank you.
There's nothing as sweet as that. Tony, hope you've been able to learn something. You wait a little bit. Or Tony made money and gone. Okay, guys. So let me show you a broker. I just put $10. I think you had like my MT5 when I was doing cha pa 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 pa. I put $10 on that broker. The move I've been able to get in with a move of 0. I've been able. Amos, mute yourself.
You need to button your coat.
Amos.
Ivory. Go on. Cool.
Who is this? Who is this guy? Who is this guy? Is this Amos or it's who? Hey, you guys, mute yourself, man. If you're doing your other stuff there. Charles, let me make you a co-host. If you see these guys one, you help me remove them.
You see this word, so you can sit on the seat. Just stand. We're going now, okay? Where's Ivy? Just stay here.
Yeah, man. Surely. Surely, surely, surely. So guys, let me share with you this broker. I put $10. Just this move from here. I did not even take it from down here. Just this move from here to here. I've been able to manage to get in with a lot size of 1. Reason for few people. The leverage is 1:200. 1:2,000. Made $50 from $10. Hey, you guys are joking. Let me share with you the link. And let me share with you the spreads that we are looking there. Where is this?
Mob from 20 to 50.
10, not 20.
$10 to $50.
Gotten
with that leverage.
Gotten into the lot size of 1 on a
Eish.
$10 account.
$10 account. So it means even by the end of the week, if you manage to make 50 per day, or even 40, that's about $200 in a week. Good consistent income. As you go further, you are scaling. You can manage even to make up to 300 and above if you know what you're doing.
We joke too much.
I was out, but you start with a good snap. That's good. Moabu, you talked about gold. You see, it pushed low. So if people went and sold at low, it already went back, retraced like over 20 pips. Gold, the love of retracements.
This thing, it will drop though, but now you see that's why
it will drop. Yeah, it loves retracement.
So I don't like this gold thing. Always coming back for your profits. All right, guys. So here's the thing.
You guys don't want to be gold diggers.
No,
Yes,
no.
you don't want to be gold diggers. We left it to you.
I hate that gold.
Don't mind gold. It's very good with tossing with people's emotions. It's very, very good at that. Sometimes when you just don't get it, you don't get it. When you get it, you get it. That's what I've discovered about gold.
So guys, if you want the broker that is giving you like a 1:2,000 leverage, okay, here minimum deposit is $1. You have like, it just really has some crazy bonuses. You can be able to get like 100% deposit bonus. If you deposit $100, you're given $200. If you deposit $1,000, you're given $2,000. Whatever amount you have, it has like I mean like 100% deposit bonus. Okay, so make sure you just go grab your account, man. This is what I am doing. I have like an $100 account. I just want to see how far I can be able to take it. And what I'm doing is, when I'm getting to US30, because I know US30 will give me a move. Okay, I know US30 will give me a move. So what I'm doing is, I'm just taking like my $10, I'm putting it into my trading account, and I'm getting into my trades to the maximum lot size that I can get into. Like I'm just putting lot sizes 1, 2, 3 until it says bang. Yeah. So when your 30 moves, if you're in a lot size of 1 and it just moves, it gives you like $20. It moves again, gives you like $30. That's like $50 and you're out. Advantage of having a broker that is giving you what? Good leverage. The link is down there on the charts. You can be able to go have your account and come tomorrow. Come tomorrow. So this is the thing, guys. Also, if you want to get access to my scanners, I want to know how many people will want to know how to get access to this scanner. How many people will want to get access to this scanner? Let me see on the charts. If you want to get access to this scanner, you can drop like ready. You've been able to see how it's working, right? Gives you the direction, shows you what happens. Okay. So here's the thing. We don't have a scanner only. We don't have a scanner only. By the way, let me send you what we are actually working on. We are getting into automation. Just give me a minute. All right, we have other things that we're actually launching. So let me just share with you guys. Let me share with you just some screenshots on what the developer was able to send me. I think the people who are in the inner circle even they're tired to hear this. But don't worry, guys, it's for your good. Okay, it's for your good, 100%. It's for your good. Okay, you just want to develop something that is of a top-notch product, right? Top-notch product. So this is what you're heading to. This is our EA. This is now fully automated. We want to build a system that you just log in on the website. You don't need to open your MT5. You don't need to open your laptop. You just log in on the website with your phone. All you just need to have is a good internet connection. And then what you do is you connect your trading account. Okay? You connect your trading account. After you've connected your trading account, you can start the bot and you can stop the bot on our website, on our BMM website. I know most of you guys maybe have not seen the BMM website. I'm going to show you. All right, so that's what you're going, apart from these live trading sessions and manual trading, this is where we are heading. You can be able to see here 3 trades, win rate 90%, all these things. Okay, you can come here, log in on your MT5, all these things. These ones are we are just testing them right now. This is how it will be. You'll not need, there will be no need of you struggling with trading view and all those things. Okay, so that's where we are heading with our website. Maybe I can show you the BMM website also. We have the auto trading section here. So on this auto trading section, this is where you'll be able to get access to what I'm talking about. Okay, here. You're also working on more scanners that will be coming. If you can be able to imagine this one, how it looks like. Want to have like a specific scanner for only gold, specific scanners for other pairs. Okay, the academy section also will be able to be having more videos. If you join in here, you're able to have guidance on how you can be able to get access and to use most of our tools. All right, so how much is it to get access to all these platforms, even the scanner that we are showing you there? Let me just go on the website. So if you come here on our website, you come bmmfx.com. If you come here on the website, BMM. All right, why does it keep on? So if you come here on our website, just take a look at the price of getting started so that you can be able to get access to everything. It's $99 a month, okay? But right now, there's an offer that you're actually doing to get access to this scanner and many more other scanners. You're going to be getting it with a 25% discount, all right? 25% discount, okay? You're going to get a 25% discount, which will be $75, okay? If you're in Kenyan shillings, that will be 10,500. Okay, if you're in Kenya. Actually, if you're in Kenya, you can just go on the website and you can just make the payment from there. It's actually active and you'll get the discount. And then instead of paying $99 every single month, what will be happening is when you get this, when the discount is on, I think by some few days, you're going to remove it. Just want guys to experience this. What you're going to be getting is, instead of paying $99 every month, we are going to be giving you a 50% off of your discount, being a founding member, okay? So you're going to be getting what? $49 as renewal fee. Guys, today I've just deposited $10. I've made $50. Do you think this is amount of money that you'll be able to be paying each and every month? And this amount of money, as I usually tell guys in our inner circle, what I usually do is I usually take this amount of money and I usually invest it back in the company so that we can be able to have like the amazing products that you're having. Okay, so guys, you're welcome on board. Anybody from the inner circle who want to share like their experience? Guys, if you're not talking, just make sure you mute yourself. Like this guy should just be removed on the call. Because they are not even on their laptop. They're not even on their laptop, these guys. They're not even.
So can I have a one question? So every day you do the live session at 5:30.
Yeah. You can ask the inner circle guys here. Every single day we are usually trading here. Okay. This week I'm giving you access to everybody, the public, to just see how we do it. But from next week, it will only go back again to the inner circle only.